Hi students, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see the topic of traffic signs from the chapter traffic engineering. So let us see what are the traffic signs we are going to follow now. Objectives. On completion of this class you would be able to state the purpose and types of traffic signs. Okay. So what are the traffic signs are there? Informatory signs, mandatory signs and cautionary signs. So these three types of signs are there in the traffic signs. So everyone need to follow the traffic signs compulsory for our safety and our guidelines. And next, once in the previous class we have discussed the traffic control devices like road markings and curb markings. Yes. And while driving on a road, how do you know the position of a speed breaker or any school zone or any one way or any distance of turn? So that is known by the traffic signs or traffic signals. Obviously, traffic signals and traffic signs are compulsory. Nowadays we need it. So let us see the traffic signs definition. Traffic signs are boards display the information to road users for comfortable, smooth and safe flow of traffic. Yes, obviously traffic signs are required nowadays. They are giving any information for the people and for the smooth flow of traffic and for the safe traveling of traffic. Is it okay? So need, how it will be need for us to achieve orderly movement of traffic, to control speed of vehicles. This is compulsory. Speed limit also we have to maintain, otherwise the vehicles will be going in a full speed and accidents will also occur. And to control traffic behavior such as parking, overtaking, etc. So nowadays we can see these parking problems and overtaking is daily it is happening in our roads. Okay, everyone wants to go speed, so that they are overtaking one by one vehicle. And to guide the road users, means we have to follow the safety rules, keeping the car seat belts, and we have to go slowly. Okay, and we have to go in the one road. Okay, and to reduce the chances of accidents. So all traffic signs are nothing but to reduce the chances of accidents. The concept of main happening is for the traffic signs is to locate, to reduce the accidents. Okay, we have to safely journey. And next, types of traffic signs we can see now. Regulatory or mandatory signs. This is nothing but violating of these signs is a punishable offence. So according to our government rules, you can see regulatory or mandatory signs we have to follow compulsory. If we neglect this one, we will have a penalty or any punishable offence by the police department or the government. Okay, and next, warning signs. It indicates a caution about a hazardous condition ahead. So these warning signs are for our safety only. We have to follow compulsory. Otherwise, any accidents or any it may be appear. And next are informatory signs. So these supply information about the location or a distance of facility. Yes, these informative signs gives the place of the city and what are the road maps. Okay, and what are the highway roads, how we should go, and what is the distances. It will be giving the information. Okay, so this is also required for the every people. So these three signs are nowadays are very important. We have to follow the traffic signs compulsory. So coming to regulatory or mandatory signs, we can see they are need to inform the road users of certain laws, regulations and prohibitions, the violation of which is a legal offence. Example, you can see stop, bus stop or any, and one way, speed limit, no parking, etc. So these all comes under the regulatory or mandatory signs. So we can see the diagrams here. So okay, all of you seeing the these diagrams daily life in your roads. Okay, so travel, this first one you can see, and these are the car and bike only. Okay, and you can see here bike, no articulated vehicles. So these and except buses and cycles. Here stop police. Okay, you can see left and left symbol. So this is giving nothing but regulatory. Okay, you can see we have to follow these symbols compulsory. And you can see this is the mandatory sign, no overtaking. No overtaking. If you take the overtaking, we will get a penalty by the CC cameras will be watching us, and police department will also be watching us. Okay, and you can see these are the regulatory or mandatory signs. Stop. This is the symbol of give away. This is no entry. U-turn prohibited. Right turn prohibited. Speed is 50. If you go more than 50 speed, we will get the accidents or we will get any penalty. Okay. So less than 50 it is enough, no problem. Okay, and next is warning signs. So warning signs are also nothing but cautionary signs. Warning signs or cautionary signs are used to warn the road users of certain hazardous conditions that exist on or adjacent to the roadway. Here what is saying, that is nothing but hazardous conditions that exist on or adjacent to the roadway. And next, they are in the shape of equilateral triangle with apex pointing upwards. These warning signs are showing the triangle like symbol. I will show the diagrams, you can see. And next, they have a white background and red border and black symbols. You can see the color also has given. They will be having white background, red border and black symbol, and they should be located at least 120 meters ahead of the item on national highways or state highways. So we can see on every national highways and state highways, for every 120 meters ahead, these warning signs will be located. So you can see some road signs are there. These are the dangerous warning signs. Okay. So the road is under the way bridge. You can see these are all nothing but warning signs. Can you imagine how the daily life we are seeing these symbols? You can see here, this is a right hand curve, this is right hairpin, this is right reverse, and this is the crossroad, and this is side road right, and this is T intersection. So these are all warning signs. You can see another one also, speed breaker ahead, go slow. If this symbol is not there, we will be going very fastly and the vehicle will be falling down or the vehicle will be damaged also. Okay. So that's why these symbols will be locating, nothing but warning signs. And next is informatory signs. These signs are used to guide the road user along routes. So these signs, what they will do? They will guide the user. Suppose we are going from one place to another place. If we start from any Warangal to Hyderabad, okay, if we want to go, so you can see the route left side, the 30 kilometers to Hyderabad, 20 kilometers to Warangal. We will be seeing the boards. So the destination, nothing but information of destination and distance. Okay. And next, provide with information to make travel easier, safe and pleasant, and it will make our travel journey very safe and pleasant. Okay. You can see NH11 definition plate, whether which road is it. This is post ground, this is the ground level road marker sign, and you can see this is parkings both sides. We can keep, if one side is there, we have to keep only one side. So these are nothing but giving information to us. Okay. And these are also another roads. Service road start from here, and this is the symbol of petrol bunk. You can see this is the hospital ahead. Okay, and here service road end. So okay, you can see here bus stop symbol, and this is a person. You can see this is also a culvert. So these are nothing but informatory signs which gives us a information to us compulsory. Okay, so we have to follow the information signs. It is necessary to follow the informatory signs. Why? Because of information required for us to travel safe journey. And you can see that these are also informatory signs. Right hand curve, left hand curve, right hairpin bin, left hairpin bin, right reverse bend, left reverse bend, steep ascent, steep descent. So the car should be going down. Okay. So then this is steep ascent means upwards. Okay. Narrow road ahead means, so from long road to short road. Okay. And road wideness ahead from short road to this is long road. Okay. And next narrow bridge, we can see the bridges, and this is slippery road. Slippery road with stones. Okay. Loose gravel road, cycle crossing, pedestrian crossing here, school ahead, men at work, cattle, falling rocks, ferry. So these are also nothing but informatory signs for us giving. Okay. And next is, you can see cautionary signs, another symbols. Okay. Cows are going here, and it is a left, U-turn then, and school children is walking. So these are nothing but cautionary signs. So in traffic signs, these all signs are compulsory and required for people, so to travel safe journey in a safe manner. Okay. And finally, summary we have discussed today: traffic signs, mandatory signs, cautionary signs, informatory signs. Okay. So coming to the examination point of view, short answer questions, you can see the types of traffic signs and give 2 examples for each. Explain with an example each cautionary and informatory signs. Explain briefly the functions of traffic signs. Okay. And next long answer questions are: explain mandatory signs in detail and describe the 3 categories of road signs, and explain cautionary signs in detail. So make a notes and write the answers in your notebooks. Okay. So in everyday human life, the traffic signs are compulsory or required. So following traffic rules also is also good for us. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.